I think it's a pretty attractive set of fixtures. Probably, I mean, great to get the 4-3 split back. You know, we lost it last year through circumstances beyond our control. We never wanted to do a 5-2 split either way. We wouldn't have been happy with 2 in Lataka and 5 in Suva. It's just not what we're trying to do. So to be able to get it back to 4-3, which is great. I think there's some very attractive fixtures that stand out. Game 1, the Brumbies haven't been to Fiji for a competitive game, I don't think ever, so that's a very attractive turn. The Chiefs haven't been here for a while. Game 3, I think, at Lataka. They're always a very attractive side, and we've had to go there for a couple of years. And then I suppose the night game is we're doing again. I mean, that was incredibly successful last year against the Canes. Got a sellout, our first ever sellout for a Drua game at Suva. It'd be lovely to do that again against the Blues, who haven't been to Suva for a while. They I seem to remember 2 years ago they were the only team to beat us at home and beat us well in Lataka. It looks a very attractive fixture list. Probably from a fan's point of view, I'd say compared to the other previous 2 years that we've had when all the games have been here, I think it's probably the most attractive of the 3 years, to be honest.